What's the meaning of conspicuous? Conspicuous. Conspicuous.
Conspicuous. Conspicuous. Conspicuous means something that is easily noticeable or stands out. It refers to anything that draws attention due to its unusual or prominent appearance or behavior. For example, a person who wears bright red clothing to a funeral would be considered conspicuous, as would a loud car driving down a quiet street. Conspicuous things can be positive or negative, depending on the context. In general, anything that is conspicuous tends to draw a lot of attention and can be hard to ignore, whether intentionally or not.